Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will learn how to make Bootstrap form, then insert data from MySQL database. Let's get started. First, I will open app folder. Then I will open views. I make a new folder in that views. I name layouts. Layouts. Then inside layouts, I will make a new file default. That file, I need to put any link that used in my website. Remove that title, then open your browser, visit the official site of Bootstrap. That's the official site of Bootstrap. We need to take their two links. First is a CSS link, and second is a JavaScript link. I will put here. Then we need to render that page. Open PHP and close. This render section content. I make inside the views folder a new folder. That's a student. Inside student, I will make form.php or register. I name register.php and a file list.php. Inside the register, open PHP and close. This we need to extend that layouts. We need to extend layouts slash default dot php. Then we need to copy that, change that extend to section, and you need to copy content, paste here, change that to end section, not have any parameter. Inside that container h1 welcome. After that, we need to call this page in routes. I make a comment crad. Then we need a routes dot get to get that welcome. Is a register, but we need a controller. That's our controller. I need a method public function. Function name is register. Copy that. We need another function for list or table. Inside the register, we need to return the view. student student slash register. We need to return that file list, return view student folder list. We need to call in routes, copy the class name, paste here, colon, then copy that method, paste, save. Click at the same time Alt, Shift, and down arrow. That name is list. Then the method will be a list. That method is a list. We need to run our project php spark serve. Click at the same time Control plus left click. Make sure your SAM. You need to start MySQL and Apache both. I need PHP my admin. Localhost slash PHP my admin. Click enter. That's our database. I open my database student CodeIgniter 4. That's my table. We need to make a registration form inside register.php. So that we need a container. Then we need a form. Inside the form, we create dot. It's a class name of form group. Inside form group label is the first name, and we need input. Add dot. Dot means class. It has a class of form control. Dot, it has a border secondary. Enter and add name attribute. F name. Very good. Add form group margin bottom 3. Save, copy, paste, and paste first name, and that's last name, email, phone. Last L name, email, and name attributes will be email. We need to open that register.php. So that open your routes, you need to type register, paste, enter. That's what we make. I need h1 student register, hr. It has a method of post, and we need a button. It has a class of ptn primary. Button will be register. Very good. Our form is look like very long, so that we need to remove that width. Width will be 50%. Next, we will work in a backend, so that go to your controller. I am making a new method, public function to register. Instead that, I need to make a validation. Role is a variable. Then I take that input. It has a validation of like this required, not empty. Then minimum length will be 3 characters at least. Also, it has a label of first name. Very good. Copy that and paste couple of times. Comma, comma, and comma. First name. This is last name. This is email. Email. And this label will be last name. Email. Required minimum length is 3, is a valid email. Also is a unique. Where will be a unique? It's a student table, then email column will be unique. Student dot email column, and last phone number. It's required numeric. Very good. The label will be phone. Also is a phone. Let's check if not validate rules. Return view. We displayed that error is in the registration page. Return view not register. It will be student slash register. That folder. Student slash register. That is where we displayed that errors. Validation. This validator. Very good. We need to display this page, so that open PHP and close. If is set function, then take that validation and put here as a variable. Open PHP and close, and if inside this validation we need bootstrap alert, so that I make a diff. Then it has a class of alert. Alert will be danger. danger, and it has a role of alert. Inside the alert, we need to display that validation. Validation dot list errors. We forgot to open PHP and close. Very good. Let's we try. Click. We forgot something. We need to make a routes. Copy that and paste. It will be a post. We need to post in a database. This this URL will be stored and the method will be to register. Very good. Action will occur. Open PHP and close. This is shortcut of echo so that I need base URL. Inside base URL, copy that, store only, and put here. Very good. Check. We see the alert only. We need echo, a shortcut of echo. Very good. That's the validation errors. That's the labels. Now we need to store that data. I make a variable data. Inside the data, I put here the database columns like first name, last name, email, first name. This request get post method, and I put here that input name like f name. That means we match the input name and the database column. Copy couple of times. This is a first name. This is a last, an email, phone. This is last email and phone number. And we need to change those name, email, and phone number. Save. We take that data from these inputs so that we need only to store that data. I make a new instance model. It's a variable that is that stored the model, that model. Copy the model name, new, paste, save, and make sure you type this use app slash modelis slash student. You need to type this. This is the model name, your model name. Student model, then student model. Very good. I need to store the data. Copy that model, then save. What we need to save? We need that data to save in our database. Save. After saving the data, we need to return, redirect, or go in this page. We need to go, open your routes. We need to go that page, list. with status or message. That message, you are registered successfully. Very good. Semicolon. Save. Open your list.php. Make a container. You need an alert, a bootstrap alert, so that I make a diff. It has a class of alert dot alert success, and it has a role of alert. Inside that alert, I need to display that message, so that if open PHP and close, if session dot get flash date is that name, take that name, put here, and then end if. We need end if, not have a bracket, it has a semicolon. Inside that, I need the alert. Then I need to display the message in this alert, inside this alert, so that type session dot get flash date, and then put that status here. Save. The last step, we need to work this model. Type here your table name, your table columns, like first name, last name, email and phone number. Very good. And our table is student, so that remove that S. Our table has a primary key of ID. Very good. Click, we see that validation errors. Ahmed Osman, not my last name is Osman. An email will be Ahmed. My phone, so like this. Click register. You see, you are registered successfully, and our database, you see that's my data. So that, where is the alert? I see that message, but where's the alert? Open your list.php. Inside this alert, we go the register. Mohan Kumar. Email will be Mohan, and phone number is like this. Register. Very good. We see the alert and the message. Let's check my database. Very good.